So this Euro pound analysis for Friday the 18th of May. Now, let's just have a look what different prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had a series of lower highs here. We've had prices come down towards this 87.20. So we made newer lows relative to our previous swing lows here. We've had a brief move up here to test that 87.50 from underneath, from which we did see sell side momentum. Didn't quite take us back down towards 87.20, took us in towards the mid 87.20, so we've had a couple of pips or so here on the euro against the pound, from which we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum return. So we do have our lows, slightly higher lows here. We do seem poised for another test of that 87.50. So if we test 87.50, we do see a sell side momentum, possibly looking for prices to head down towards this 87.12 or so here on the euro against the pound. But that isn't a major level. The major levels that we are looking at here to the downside would be moves down towards the 87. Successful break from which, if we're not able to find support at the 87 level, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 86.63 major level marked out here in red. If, however, we can break and hold above the 87.50, we'll be then looking for moves up towards that 87.83. In around 87.83, we do have a confluence of the 400 and 200 period moving average, as well as the horizontal level from which we've found resistance previously, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that 87.83, possibly bring us back down towards that 87.50, or if there is sufficient volatility, bring us down towards that 87 level. If, however, we can break above the 87.83, we'll be then looking for a move up towards that 88 and possibly up towards that 88.20. From where we are at present, I don't think we would head up towards that 88.20. Possibly the far end of range being around that 88 level here on the euro pound. But if there is sufficient volatility, 88.20 may come into focus here on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. And over on the daily chart, we get scaling on here correct. So as we can see here on the daily chart, we've come into an area we previously found support, had a strong bullish buy side momentum. Again, we've come down to this area, so we'll see if we can hold it with a counter trend move today and see if that bullish momentum follows through into next week, or if we'll see a counter trend move and then see the resumption of sell side momentum into early next week. But at present, we do appear to be seeing some buy side momentum from an area where we previously saw it. So we'll see if we can hold this as a bit of a double bottom here and see prices start to head to the upside here on the euro pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.